How to get rich with online surveys and apps. Research and choose reliable survey and reward apps. The first step is to research and select reputable online survey and reward apps. Look for platforms that have a track record of paying users, positive reviews, and clear terms of service. Some popular options include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, and Vindale Research. Sign up and create profiles. Once you've chosen the apps you want to use, sign up and create your user profiles. You'll typically need to provide basic information about yourself, such as your name, email address, and sometimes demographic details like age, gender, and location. Accurate profile information helps in matching you with relevant surveys and offers. Participate in surveys and complete tasks. After creating your profiles, start participating in surveys and completing tasks. These apps will typically have a dashboard where you can see available surveys and tasks. Some surveys may pay more than others, and some tasks may include watching videos, playing games, or signing up for free trials. Stay safe and avoid scams. As you navigate the world of online surveys and apps, it's essential to be cautious and avoid potential scams. Here are some safety tips. Never pay to join. Legitimate survey and reward apps will never ask you to pay money to participate. If an app requests payment upfront, it's likely a scam. Good luck.